Make a video for Grandma. Abby. Hi. You wave to Grandma? Wave, and we send it to Imelda too. And Uncle Cody will see it. And Rance. And Jacob. And Uncle Mike. Are you going to say something to him? Huh? You're just gonna look at your mobile and not do anything. You gonna pretend to be hungry even though you just ate? Abby. Abby. You gonna get mad? Huh, Crazy Legs? You gonna get mad? Abby. Abby, what are you doing? Oh my. Abby. Oh, there went some gas. Hey, it's okay. Here, roll over. Look at the camera. Let's go this way. Look. Look at the camera. Abby. Abby. Don't get all mad. Oh, is that what it is? You like the music? Let me turn it back on then. Abby. Hey. It's okay. Look. Here's your mother. Well, she wasn't a good mood until I brought out the camera. Oh, give the camera a pretty face. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Oh, you're going to show Imelda how you throw a fit? Are you? Abby. Okay, just thought I'd try to give you a little video.